Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing this massive SHTF Mystery Survival Gear box. This is the basic box. It's bigger this time. I assume I got something really big. So stick with me guys, we'll see what's inside. What SHTF Survival Gear is a survival box you get in your mail every month. It's $20 plus shipping. Your first box is free shipping, so it's just 20 bucks. It comes with like 5 to 7 different items. It all depends, and you're guaranteed to get a cutting tool in every box. Here's an example of what I got in my last one. It's just an SHTF multi-tool. There's a little card in each box. I'll just show you actually right now. Let's get this knife open. Okay. But I'll leave a link down in the description on where you guys can find this box. I love this box so much. It's very cool to get in the mail. It's like Christmas every month. Another cool thing is everything in this box is a decent price. So if it happens to break or something, I am not gonna fret about it because it's cheap to replace, and it does the same exact job, you know, just as fine as the expensive gear that you can buy. So that's why I like buying the cheap stuff, because it's easier to replace. Sure, I might be spending a ton of money in the future on this gear because it's constantly breaking, but I'm not breaking my wallet at the moment buying this. So that's how I look at it. Alright, every box has got the paper. And where's that card at? Alrighty, so on every card, you've got the primary box, Pro box, and the Elite box. I recommend just getting the primary box. I don't think it's worth getting the Pro and the Elite, just because the price you're actually paying for the box, you're only getting 3 extra items, and then with an extra, you know, this price, it's for the Pro it's $50, whereas the Elite it's $90, and with the Elite you're only getting another 2 items, and the Pro you're getting another 3, so I don't think that's worth it. I like getting the primary one because you get a whole bunch of items. This one's got 6 different items in it. So we'll start off with the first one. The retail value for this box is, I should actually mention this in every video now, is the actual retail value of the box. It's $66.94. So that's alright. I paid $20 for the box, so I'm technically getting about 3 times the value. So the first item in the box is a stainless steel key organizer. $12.99. Find this here. Okay, so here's the stainless steel key organizer. It's a carabiner, but it's got this cool little mechanism. That's actually really cool. I might end up using this. It's got like, it's kind of confusing to figure out what's all in here, because it doesn't have anything, instructions or anything like that. But it almost looks like, you know, it's got some tool stuff going on. It looks like this should have been a knife, but it's not. It's right here, but I don't know. A little screwdriver on the top. Looks like you could fit probably a nut in there to tighten something.
I'll have to fiddle with it.
Yeah, I'll have to fiddle with that a little bit. That's very cool. I'll use that for my keys. Let's get on to the next item in the box. For the next item, we've got a challenge coin bottle opener. This retails for $9. way at the bottom there. Challenge coin bottle opener. So it's a little coin here. Let's take it out. Goodness. Okay. So on the back here it says 2019 SHTF member. On the front it says SHTF Survival. It's got the gas mask for their logo, and then a beware sign. So that's actually kind of cool. There's a little bottle opener. So, pretty nifty. It's like a little, I don't know, $9 for this, right? But I don't know, it's a cool little souvenir. So I don't know when I'd use that for a survival situation, but
stick it in your wallet, and then we can open beers on hikes.
Yeah, there we go. It's a cool little keepsake. And then it's actually wallet size.
Not that we drink while hiking, because that would not be smart.
But
no creek water while hiking.
Right. But yeah, there's that there. See what else is in the box. This next item is actually something I've been wanting for quite a while. This is something very, very, very cool. It is bootlaces, but they're unique bootlaces. On each bootlace, there's a striker, and you've got flint on both ends of here, and then it comes with another one for the other side. So I've got 4 different little flints and 2 strikers on my boots or my shoes. So it's very neat.
Hey, little baby flint and steels.
Right? Heck yeah. And that retails for $9, so that's actually not bad. So, heck yeah. That, and you could use the actual laces themselves as cordage, so that is pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
Should I try this out? I want to see if it actually... Maybe. There we go. Yeah, that is very cool. You can see there. And it comes with little caps put over top so you can keep them safe. So that is very, very cool. Alright, yeah, I've been really wanting some of these. It's like they read my mind sometimes. Alright. Let's go ahead and get on to the next item. For the next item, it's a survival fixed blade, which I assume is this. A big box. It says Colombian Survival Bogota? Yeah, Bogota Survival fixed blade. It's a big box for a knife. Is it taped? It is. Okay. Okay. Take it out of here. Get a closer look at this. So it has looks like it's got a nice sheath. Right on the sheath it's got the logo. Gosh. It's got a nice belt loop. Looks like it's made of nylon. That's very nice. Pull this out of here. This is scary looking. Ooh. That is cool. Okay, so we've got what looks like to be a serrated blade on the back, which I like, but I kinda would prefer a 90-degree spine here so I could strike a flint and steel. But I'm sure I could probably put the flint and steel like maybe in here or something and strike it that way. But that's cool. It's also got a smaller serrated blade up top here, which looks like it would, be pretty good for sawing or something like that. So that's pretty cool. This front blade right here, let's just do a hair check here. yeah, I can dry shape with this. That is cutting hair. So yeah, this is razor sharp. The only thing bad about the back being like this is it's also going to be hard to baton. I'm going to have to aim a baton right in this area every time. Because if I hit here or here, I'm going to damage these points.
It's also fixed too.
And it's also,
with it.
We'll see, another good thing, another thing about this is it's kind of a fixed blade setup like a Mora, where it's in a rubber blade instead of something that's put together. Because I've had a fixed blade where it was something put together, and the whole handle just fell apart.
Yeah.
Like the handle, the blade just fell off the top. It wasn't set up right at all. So I do like how they have the new fixed blade setups where everything's held together inside of here. That on the bottom, it's got a hammer tool. This is metal on the bottom here. So that's pretty cool. It's got a little hammer. But yeah, I could see this maybe being like a bushwhacker type thing where you're going through hitting on trees. I'm pretty sure this could probably take down a tree pretty easy if you sit there and chop at it. Kind of like a machete. But I don't know, this might fit some bushcrafters' preferences or some people's preferences, but this one really doesn't cut it for me just because it's not an ideal bushcraft knife. I'll be right back. I'll show you more of an ideal bushcraft knife and my idea. Okay, so the knife I'm thinking of here is the Camulus Titanium. This is a good practical bushcrafting knife. I got this a few weeks ago. You guys saw this in my last video. I got pretty excited about it. This has a nylon sheath, and this knife has a 90-degree spine. You can see there's some scuff marks on there from when I was using flint and whatnot. This starts an awesome fire. It gets a nice perfect strike off on a flint and steel. This blade is razor sharp. I am not a fan of serrated edges. It's because they're a lot harder to sharpen. You have to use a rounded file to sharpen each individual section. So here, I'll show you on here. This other knife. If these ever wear down, you have to get a circle file and individually sharpen each and every one of these pores here. And that goes for this. You have to get a small file to do that. Pretty much, I'm not going to take my personal time to do that. And I know in a survival bushcrafting type situation, this is not a practical knife to have because you're not going to be able to sharpen this if you don't have the proper equipment. Who's going to have the proper equipment in their backpack? I know I wouldn't. So that's why I like the smooth edges. I do like how this blade is set up. I just wish the back was a 90-degree angle instead of this serrated mumbo jumbo. I just think it's junk, personally. Whereas this, it looks very clean, very professional. I can baton something with this. I could do a lot of knife working with this. It's got a nice rubber grip. There's a hole right here, so I can put a lanyard through it. I could, put my hand through there and then hold onto this, so I've got more of a handhold on the blade. This is a fixed blade, just like this one, but it's set up kind of like the Mora, where it's encased inside of like a silicone type of material, and it feels very nice and comfortable because of this hand grip here. And this was only $10 at Walmart. I mean, it's not even that bad. If this breaks, I can replace this easily. So, very good knife, and this does shave, definitely. So, let's move on to the next item. Alright, so the up next item we've got here is a multi-purpose rope. This retails for $9. I don't know if I mentioned what that knife retailed for. That retails for $17. So, I mean, this isn't ideally my type of survival blade, but definitely a cool collector's knife or something, really cool to look at. So, that's just all I really have to say about it. A multi-purpose rope. Here it is. It's a big bundle of rope. I could probably use this for camping. I could string this across 2 trees. I could make a shelter out of this. I could make some sort of clothesline. I could, heck, I could probably hoist a deer up with it, that sort of thing. But this is paracord rope. I'm looking on the inside and I can see inner strands. So this is paracord rope. This is very, very, very thick paracord. So I assume I could probably climb with this, honestly. I'll just show you what I'm talking about, where I think this is got inner strands. If you look at the end of it, it looks like melted paracord. So that's why I'm thinking this is just jumbo paracord. Which is very, very cool. Yeah, I bet you I could go climbing with this. I bet you could build a hefty shelter with this as a nice, what do you call those, tie lines? Or, gosh. It's mainly, like, it's the main support line to your shelter. Yeah, there's a ton of uses for this. Heck yeah. Awesome. Thanks, SHTF. Got some nice utility rope or something. Know I could use this for something, for sure. Alright, let's get right into the next item in the box. Okay. This is cool. This next item retails for $7. I just hope this can fit what I'm hoping this can fit. It's a Ghillie gun wrap. Now what this does, it's like a ghillie suit, but it's for your gun. So when you're out, you know, wearing camo and stuff, you could put this over your gun and make it look like grass. Now I have personally a type of rifle. It's a good hunting rifle. It's a 308 Win Mag, and I think this would work perfectly going on top of that. This is pretty cool. I don't know exactly how this would work.
Don't take it apart too far. Oh, that's weird. You just wrap it, I bet.
Yeah, I think you just wrap it. I'm not sure.
Here, let me fit. I want to see.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what this all is here. I think you just literally take it and wrap it around your gun.
Yeah.
You just coil it, like around the edge and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll go grab my rifle and we'll see what it looks like after we coil it. Alright guys, here's the ghillie on my rifle here. You can see the action will still work. We'll probably pop the shell out there. And pull my mag out down here. Put this back in. That, and I can still see through the scope. Probably readjust. Whoop, that just fell out. Put it in good enough, but let's readjust some of this ghillie stuff on here. That's pretty sick. That's very cool. Kind of gave it a ghillie look, very natural looking camouflage on my gun. So heck yeah. $7, that's not bad. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you like stuff like this, I do stuff like this once a week. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. The stuff I do once a week is stuff like camping, fishing, hiking, weird unboxings like this. Yeah, anything like that. So if you're into that type of stuff, go and hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.